Ever stared at a slow SQL query while your users rage click waiting for results? Our SQL optimization pack slashes execution time with composite indexes, index only scans, partition pruning, and adaptive connection pooling. We've got your back with query plan heat maps, write ahead logging tweaks, and parallel vacuum strategies. Whether you're a database developer wrestling with OLTP workloads, a data engineer scaling data lakes, or a DevOps lead optimizing microservices, this pack turns pain points into speed wins. Spoiler, your coffee will finish brewing before your queries do now. Here's what's inside the SQL Optimization Pack. Deep dive indexing with Brin and hash indexes for time series data. Query plan analysis using explain analyze visualizations. Partitioning by range and list with automatic subpartition creation. Connection pooling with PG Bouncer and PG JDBC optimizations. Real world scenarios like optimizing 10 million plus row ETL pipelines. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your database's new supercharger. Installing the SQL Optimization Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add sql-optimization-pack. That's it. You'll download 15 plus code templates for index tuning, 7 connection pooling configurations, and 3 partitioning frameworks, all battle tested in production. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to spot full table scans, recommend covering indexes, and configure max-connection. We'll even throw in a cheat sheet titled When Indexes Attack, because sometimes they do. Ready to make slow queries extinct?